The East faces the West in today's matchup. Sandy Bay Primary from Hannibal goes up against Seaward Primary from St. Andrew.
So let's jump right in. In Section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss, and Seaward Primary won. They decided that Sandy Bay Primary will play first. So Sandy Bay Primary, with 4 minutes on the clock, we begin with Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible comes just after Isaiah?
Jeremiah.
The question passes. Seaward, would you like to try?
Yes, sir. Jeremiah.
Correct, and still with you for another Bible knowledge question. Which book of the Bible comes just before James?
Hebrews.
Correct. Sandy Bay, science. What happens to most materials when they are heated?
They melt.
Judges? Incorrect. They expand. Science, to use Seaward, what happens to water when it is heated?
It evaporates.
Correct. Jamaican affairs, to use Sandy Bay. What food is referred to as hella top, hella bottom, and hallelujah in the middle?
Pudding.
Correct. Jamaican affairs, to use Seaward. What Jamaican food is known as Johnny cakes?
Coconut.
Incorrect. Fried dumplings. Sandy Bay, English language. Spell the word available.
A-V-A-I-B-L-E.
Incorrect. A-V-A-I-L-A-B-L-E. English language use Seaward Primary. Spell expression.
Expression. E-X-P-R-E-S-S-I-O-N.
Correct. Sandy Bay, television. What is the name of the program aired on weekday mornings at 6 a.m. on TVJ?
Jamaica. Smile Jamaica.
Correct. Television to you, Seaward. Who is the host of the TVJ program Profile?
Faye Ellington.
Correct. Sandy Bay, general knowledge. In which country is the river Seine? Seine.
Saint Catherine.
Incorrect. France. General knowledge to you, Seaward Primary. In which country is the river Thames?
Germany.
Incorrect. England or the United Kingdom. Sandy Bay, social studies. What is the capital of Dominica?
San Domingo.
Incorrect. Roseau. Social studies to you, Seaward. What is the capital of Puerto Rico?
San Juan.
Correct. Music to you, Sandy Bay. Give the name of the artist who recorded the song Beautiful Girls.
Bruno Mars.
Incorrect. Sean Kingston. Music to you, Seaward Primary. Give the name of the artist who recorded the song Lonely.
Chronics.
Incorrect. Akon. Sandy Bay, mathematics. If 0.07 equals 7 over y, what is the value of y?
$100.
Correct. Mathematics to you, Seaward Primary. If 0.017 equals 17 over x, what is the value of x?
1,000.
Correct. Sandy Bay, sports. The UEFA Champions League is played in which sport?
Cricket.
Incorrect. Football. Sports to you, Seaward Primary. In which sport is the winner signaled by a checkered flag?
Athletics.
Incorrect. Formula One racing. And that is the end of section 1.
During round 1, Sandy Bay Primary attempted 10 questions, while Seaward Primary attempted 11 questions. Points at the end of round 1 are Sandy Bay Primary on 3 points and Seaward Primary on 7 points.
Stay with us. This Quest for Quiz match in the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.